Okay guys, since you can't get foggers on the open market right now because they're a high commodity, we've got to figure out other ways for people to treat their vehicles and fog spaces, apply disinfectants. So we're using a spray rig, an airless sprayer. Now this one's a bigger one, but you can get a battery operated one from Sherwin-Williams and Bradley, and you're going to get a fine tip. And basically you can apply disinfectant just like we do. We're getting really busy. We don't mind helping all you guys out, but we've got to get you guys to a point where you can do this stuff yourselves, hopefully. All right, so any kind of airless sprayer, battery operated, power. You need to make sure you're wearing your PPE if you're spraying any kind of disinfectants. So either you're covering your mouth and wearing glasses so it doesn't get in your eyes, or you're wearing a full face respirator, something to protect you from touching your face and getting it in your eyes. And you want to do all your high touch areas. Wherever you might get in, it gets wet, but it doesn't get too wet. If you back off a little bit, you can just hit it and it'll hit it real thoroughly. Then you can get in just like Servpro. You guys can do this, you just have to get the right gear. Any kind of airless sprayer with a fine